Want to integrate Adobe Acrobat with ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Adobe Acrobat to ChatGPT and use it directly for your PDF tasks. First, open the ChatGPT app on your computer. Click your profile icon, and then open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Plugins section. Click on Plugins, and then open the Plugin directory or Browse Plugins option. Now, use the search box and search for Adobe Acrobat. Find Adobe Acrobat in the results, and click the plus icon next to it. A new window will appear, like the one you can see on your screen. Here, you'll see the option to sign in with Adobe Acrobat. Click Sign in with Adobe Acrobat, and log in with your Adobe account. If you don't want to sign in, you may also see an option to use Adobe Acrobat without an account. Next, you'll see information about the permissions and data that may be shared with Adobe Acrobat. Take a moment to review this information. If you're comfortable with the permissions, continue to connect Adobe Acrobat with ChatGPT. Once the connection is complete, return to a ChatGPT conversation. Now, select Adobe Acrobat from the available apps or plugins. And that's it. Adobe Acrobat is now connected to ChatGPT. You can use it to perform different PDF tasks directly through ChatGPT. So, that's how you can integrate Adobe Acrobat with ChatGPT and use it for your PDF tasks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful technology tutorials. Thanks for watching.